Today we are going to solve this third degree quadratic equation of x, which is x to power 3 plus x to power 2 equals to 36. To solve this equation, first we will move 36 to this side of the equation. The equation becomes x to power 3 plus x to power 2 minus 36 equals to 0. Further, to simplify this equation, we will break down 36 into minus 27 minus 9. Then this equation becomes x to power 3 plus x square minus 27 minus 9 equals to 0. Further, we can see 27 is equals to 3 to power 3 and 9 is equals to 3 to power 2. So after more simplification, this equation becomes x to power 3 plus x square minus 3 to power 3 minus 3 to power 2 equals to 0. This can also be written as pairing this to this and x square to 3 to square. This equation becomes x to power 3 minus 3 to power 3 plus x to power 2 minus 3 to power 2 equals to 0. This equation is in the form of aq minus bq. As we know that aq minus bq is equals to a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab. Now using this formula, this equation becomes x minus 3 bracket x square plus 9 plus 3x plus x square minus 3 square. As this is in the form of a square minus b square, this becomes x minus 3 multiply x plus 3. So after simplification, this equation becomes x minus 3 bracket x square plus 3x plus 9 plus x minus 3 into x plus 3 equals to 0. X minus 3 is common here. Take x minus 3 as common. So the equation becomes x minus 3 multiply x square plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 equals to 0. This is equals to x minus 3 multiply x square plus 3x plus x is 4x plus 9 and 3 is 12 equals to 0. Now to find the value of x, these two equations can be equated directly with 0. So it becomes x minus 3 equals to 0 and x square plus 4x plus 12 equals to 0. From here we can get x equals to 3, and this equation is a quadratic equation of second degree. So now we have to solve this equation to find the value of x. One value is 3 and other values we can find from this quadratic equation. Well, this equation is in the form of x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to 1, b equals to 4 and c equals to 12. To find the values of x, we can solve it. X equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus for AC upon 2A. After putting these values, x equals to minus 4 plus minus square root 16 minus 4 into 1 into 12 divided by 2 into 1. So value of x becomes minus 4 plus minus 32 divided by 2. So this can also be write as minus 4 plus minus 32 y upon 2. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus 32i divided by 2 and x is equal to 3 are the answer for this equation.